Yeah, so like...
Hey, Todd! Quiet! Todd. Shh. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. I'm at headquarters here to give you a little one-on-one on eggs. We're going over some techniques on how to make the perfect omelet, some creamy, dreamy scrambled eggs, and my favorite, the dippy, drippy, sexy egg. Let me show you how to achieve the perfect eggs at home on your Blackstone. It's early morning here. I thought it would be the perfect time to make everybody some eggs and share with you guys my tips and tricks for the perfect eggs at home. Maybe you're having some trouble getting those fluffy scrambled eggs or a good omelet or the perfect white, sexy, dippy drippy eggs. Let's start with our omelet. When it comes to an omelet, using either some fresh vegetables or if you have any leftovers in the fridge that you want to use up and throw into an omelet, it's perfect. We're griddling up some fresh veggies that we're going to add to our omelet. So we need our eggs. I'm going to scramble 4 large eggs. We're going family style. If you want a personal serving, go for 2 eggs. We're going to scramble these with 1 splash or about 1 tablespoon of half and half per egg. Once we get this whisked up, I'm going to go down on to our griddle. Our veggies are done. We're sliding them aside. And where I'm going to drop down this omelet with all this egg, I'm going to cut the burners off, allowing our eggs to go down in a mixture of olive oil and butter and to just gently cook in that residual heat. Once our eggs are nice and spread out, we're going to add our fillings, which is all of our cooked veggies, a little seasoning of salt and pepper. We'll add a handful of freshly shredded Colby Jack cheese. You can use any cheese you like, but freshly shredded is best. A little bit of fresh tomatoes right before we tuck those sides in and begin to roll. I always like to top off my omelet with extra cheese, a little bit of our filling, just so everybody knows what's inside, a little extra tomato, and that's it. This is our omelet. It's so fun getting creative with whatever you fill yours with. Now on to the fluffy, cheesy eggs. I like to crack all my eggs into a large mixing bowl. Again, 1 splash of milk or 1 tablespoon of milk per egg. Give this a whisk together. I've allowed my griddle to preheat. Right before I drop down the eggs, I'm gonna again cut off the burners. I always like cooking my eggs in any residual heat. This way they don't cook too much. If you do like a fried egg, keep your burners on. For me, cooking low and slow on residual heat is gonna give me these beautiful, clean, fluffy eggs. I personally don't like my eggs choppy, so I'm going to keep these as whole as possible, adding a few dabs of butter to melt throughout these eggs as they cook. Then adding some sliced American cheese straight from the deli counter. Mix that throughout, and within seconds these eggs are done and ready to plate, but I do like to top off my scrambled eggs with fresh chopped chives. I think it just brings these eggs together. And now for my dippy drippy sexy eggs. I always have to have some breakfast meat and some toast to go along with dipping in that beautiful yolk. And now for our sexy eggs to go down, we want to scrape off anything left behind where we cooked, whether it's your bacon or your toast, or if you have potatoes, scrape it right back into your rear drain. If you do like fried eggs, leave all that grease there and keep your heat on. For me, I'm going to turn off the heat, give it a wipe down, a little oil and butter, and then dropping down our eggs. I'm going to let these eggs just hang out on all of that residual heat, gently cooking, adding a little salt and pepper until they're done. If for any reason you need more heat, if it cuts down too fast, especially if you're cooking out in the cold, just turn your burners back on until your eggs are done and ready to plate with your bacon and your toast. And that's it. Those are 3 ways to make beautiful eggs at home on your Blackstone. Now, it's so loud here. And I'm gonna tell you why, because all of the boys are here. Who wants sexy eggs? Who wants an omelet? And who wants cheesy eggs? It's no
Ooh,
I
want cheesy
cheese,
eggs.
But
Man, those eggs are gorgeous. Those are like those are Hoagland eggs right there.
I love.
Hoagland eggs?
Ooh.
Yeah. That's a
See you in the comments, Betty.
yeah, there we go.
Hey, Todd.
Toddy dear.
Did somebody say eggs?
Yeah, get a fork, hon.
All right, it was delightful.
Breakfast is great, right? You guys, though, would you eat this any time of the day? Oh, he took a
All
whole
times of the day.
I'm sorry.
Absolutely. It's actually good. What do you mean?
It's actually good.
Of course it's good. I made it. Now you guys got to go home and make this all at home and share pictures with us because we love seeing you guys
We do.
recreating all of our recipes.
Yep.
Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. These are the boys, CJ, Nate, Ethan, Todd. Watch all of our shows. We've got tons
Andy's
of
here too.
recipes for you guys.
Andy's here too.
And Andy's here too. Bye guys.
See ya.